Hello friends. We have a Nokia phone being repaired. There is no USB. There is only a shell on the outside. There are no contacts inside at all. I will change the USB. I am starting to disassemble. Can you record the phone model? I use a special film so as not to smudge the display, so that it does not get covered in dust. Link under the video. Now I need to get the board out. The board has been dismantled. Water also got in here. There is a white coating. I will clean it. And here is USB. To unsolder it, you need a display module. You can spill a little isopropanol, or try to heat it. I spilled a little isopropanol. I will cut it off little by little. There was obviously water here. You see the white coating. I will fix the display so that it does not interfere and the cable so as not to crush it. For this I will use thermal tape. And install it on the board holder. I'm starting to dismantle. I'll set it to 420 degrees. I'll put on a glove so as not to get burned. Dismantling was successful. It is not clear what kind of USB, because all the insides are torn out. There are different ones. For example, there is such a USB, where the contact group is located below or above. Now I will look for the same one for myself. Using copper braiding, I will remove all the solder. I found a USB. Only the edges are slightly different. It is not always possible to remove solder with a braid, because it is very refractory. This can also be done using a soldering iron with a solder sucker. I modified it a little. Because after 4 times it stops sucking out tin. Look, one hole is ready. It was removed with a braid. And I will make the second one using this soldering iron. Everything is ready for planting. We press the USB, apply flux. If the flux is bad, it will boil and will not solder well. And a good soldering station is very important. Its tip fries perfectly. I glued two contacts together. The solder seems to be refractory. The contacts are small, ideally soldered at an angle. The contacts themselves are soldered. It remains to the side. Let's apply flux. Yes, USB is a little different. So now I will extend the outer contact. I will use wire as a base. I will make a body for solder. So that there is something for solder to cling to. I bite it off and do the same on the other side. Look, the wire served as a frame to which the solder stuck. Especially since you need to solder at an angle, which is very difficult. If you look from above, we do not see these contacts. There are two contacts on the left. The solder is too close. After soldering, you must check with a multimeter to make sure there is no short circuit. Everything is ready. You need to check the USB. I'll press it with my hand to check and not assemble it into the case. Otherwise it might not work, so that I don't have to disassemble the case later. I need another USB to see if there is current. Maybe the battery is still in sleep mode. Look! The battery is charging. Now we'll assemble it into the case. You see, we have a clean display after the film. As we can see, the phone is charging. I hope the video was useful. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Good luck with your repairs. Bye.